Alright guys, so a super short and a little bit unusual video today. Tradingview is right now having a huge Easter sale. As you guys can see, we have up to 70% off. However, this sale seems to only be available if you use a special link. If we head over here to the normal Tradingview pricing page, you can see that the sale doesn't seem to be available. So I will make sure to leave this link, as you guys can see, it says Easter 2024. I will leave this link both in the top comment of this video as well as the top of the description. And when using this link, let me copy and paste it into the browser. You can see that you should see a pop-up window that looks something like this. It says you were invited to Tradingview, and you can press the X button right here. And as you can see, we have, for example, 70% off on premium, but you can see we also have a very nice discount on the plus version as well with 40% off, and we have 30% off here on the essential version. And for this video, I will not compare all the different plans because I already have a video where I do that, so I can link that video up in the corner in the eye. But yeah guys, it looks like this sale is actually on the same magnitude as the Black Friday sale. So if you have been on the fence about whether you should get TradingView or not, this is actually a very good opportunity because these kinds of sales, I thought they only come once a year, but apparently we have an Easter sale right now. So yeah guys, this video is a bit weird. I just wanted to give a quick heads up about this sale. So happy Easter if you are celebrating, and I hope I will see you in the next video. If you guys want to learn more about TradingView, I have a full 1-hour tutorial. So if you want to dive deep in how to use TradingView, I recommend checking out this video next.